Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the first in a new series that I'm going to be doing where I go through all the colours of the rainbow and create an eyeshadow look. So first up is red. Let's get into it. So first of all, you want to minimise any actual redness that you have on your face using a colour correcting primer or a concealer. Just make sure it's green because then that will act to balance out any of the redness that you have on your face. This just means that it will be a lot easier when we want to add it back in with blush or whatever to just be able to control that. And then you want to take a foundation that's a few shades lighter than your face. So I'm using the collection Illuminating Touch foundation in Oatmeal. It's super pale, which I am too, to be fair, but it's even a bit pale for me. So just blend that in. Yeah, it's very pale. Also, has anyone else ever done this before? I dug my nail into my face while I was blending. I just feel like I should sue myself for how much it actually hurt. It stung so bad. And then you just want to set it with a loose powder or a powder of your choice. I'm then just filling in my brows with the Fill and Tame Brow Gel by Beautician and Beauty, I think they're called. It's a very weird brand that I've not heard of before. And then I have so many palettes that I can choose red in, so I'm just taking 21 from the Soft as Nails Extra Spice palette and just blending that through my crease. But to be fair, you can just take a reddish pink eyeshadow colour of your choice. And then I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and just blending that out into my skin. I'm not using a transition shade because I want it to be really dramatic. And then I'm taking Romantic, which is this burgundy, purple, maroony, those are completely different colours, glittery shade, but it blends in really nicely with this eyeshadow. And then I'm just taking 21 again, all under my eyes and just making it super smoky and super big to make it really grungy. And then I'm taking the Insta Erase Age Concealer from Rimmel, I think this is, and everyone's got it, and just sharpening that up a little bit. And then I'm just also again going in with a small brush to just define anything that I lost. And then applying mascara. This is the NYX XXL mascara. It is amazing. I've talked about it loads on this channel and it's the best for grabbing your lower lashes. So that's the finished eye look. It's quite simple in terms of how long it takes to do, but it's just very intense. And then I'm just taking a blush from the Obsession palette. I can't think which one that is. Can't think what it's called. And then I'm taking the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick and I'm just placing that all over my lips. I'm going very carefully because it's such a dark colour, it's so easy to mess up, and with such a pale base like this it's really hard to get it back to how you wanted it to be. So go carefully if you're using as dark a red as I am. And then I'm just taking the Illamasqua Bronze Duo and I'm just using the lightest shade to carve out my cheekbones and my temples and my nose. Just go everywhere. It's a glam look. You get away with tons of bronzer in a glam look. And then that's the finished look. It's actually really simple in terms of how long it takes, but it just looks really cool. I love red, it's probably my favourite colour. I've got red bits in my room, I've got a red blanket, I wear red all the time. I just love it and I think it looks really cool with dark hair. Probably looks cool with blonde hair too. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next time I will be doing orange, so please subscribe so that you can see it, because it'll be interesting to see what I do with the lips and everything. I still don't know, so leave me a comment below on what you would like to see next, and give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!